paper towel. You can see I got my fins and I got my snorkel right here. Today's gonna be a little snorkel day trip. I'm not too sure how much I can record today. Can't take this camera underwater, so we're gonna vibe out. The weather's been nice, but it's been cloudy. But today, the sun's cooking, I'm not gonna lie. Definitely feeling the heat, so yeah, I'm about to put my free dive skills to the test today. Snorkel skills, a little something slight. How many miles you about to swim today?
At least 4.
Taiwan.
I got the fins, so like I'm pretty much Michael Phelps with these joints.
Bro, I said Michael Phelps. You're gonna see. So we get on the boat right now. This isn't even our boat. We gotta walk in between like 4 or 5 different boats. Finally made it to our boat. That's what it's looking like. Bro, I don't ever think I've seen a boat with turf before. This is the upstairs. Downstairs is kind of packed. Just about to chill up here and get ready to take off. So I'm gonna catch y'all there.
So I'm contemplating doing a backflip. Mind you, I can't really swim. I'm not really good at backflipping off a height, so I don't know like the right rotation. So I feel like I might over rotate and die. But I'm wearing a life jacket, so I don't know. I might just send it. I don't know.
I think you got it, bro. Got done with our first stop, did a little free diving, a little bit of jumping.
Bro, I'm not a swimmer, I'm not a diver, but today it's gonna change. My man's Chris showed me the way. I was able to dive. I'm not gonna lie, like I did better than what I thought I was gonna do, bro. The last dive, I'm not gonna hold you. Like I kicked off and I went down, and then when I looked up, bro, I was like, I felt like I was like 500 feet down, bro. I'm gonna start diving with no fins, no life jacket. So that's the goal. That's the goal for this year. To be a full-fledged swimmer.
That's tough. How was the jumps from the boat?
It was, yeah, that's it. Damn.
This is what the eat's looking like. I got rice. What kind of chicken is this?
Chicken? I don't get any chicken.
What kind is it?
What kind?
Yeah. Like, what's the sauce?
It's like stir-fried.
Stir-fried chicken, steamed vegetables.
Green beans.
Green beans, egg. It's not steamed?
I think it's fried. Like hella oil at the bottom.
Fried. Stir-fried.
Chill. Everything's fried, everything.
I need one, bro.
That's gonna wrap up the snorkel tour with the oxygen. That joint was tough. Definitely, it's 10 out of 10. Definitely worth it. 650 baht, like $18, $17 to do all that. So yeah, if y'all come to Koh Tao, y'all should definitely do a snorkel tour over here. You're gonna see a lot of fish, a lot of turtles, a lot of places to be able to jump off of. Jump off the boat, chill. So yeah, definitely good vibes. So I'll try to walk back to my bike after the tour and everything. That everything was straight. Got in my bike. Of course my bike is dead, so I had to bring it back to the shop. He's trying to get it back working again. It's not looking too good though. It's not looking like it's connected and getting back on, so hopefully there's no extra fees that come with this, bro. It's not my fault, bro. I don't know what happened. Like, I ain't keep the battery on. It's a electric bike, so or it's a push and start bike, so like you can't leave it running. I have no idea what happened, bro. Maybe somebody came over there and cut out the battery. I don't know. I guess I might as well get a shake in the meantime while I wait for the bike to come back on. So I'm about to rock with the mango and the passion fruit shake. Bro, these don't be torch. Fresh fruit, always fresh fruit, as you can see. These are all real fruit, nothing fake over here. I think you got it back working again too. I see some lights coming on over here, so hopefully. Looking good to go. The bike come back on. I'm about to get my shake. And yeah. So we got situated, changed clothes, took a shower, all that. And we put up to the Hacienda. It's like a bar. And apparently it got a cinema too. This might be the only cinema in Coast House. This is what the entrance is talking about. Kinda crazy, not gonna lie. What do you think about to unfold behind those doors?
I feel like it's some wild stuff going on. You gotta walk down this whole like alley into the cut and it's just a single door, bro. Like no signs, no nothing, bro. That's crazy.
Nah, for real. Let's check it out. Y'all get the first look. This one in the classroom, bro. My bro just come in here, he turned off the what you talking about? It's break time to smoke a cigarette and take a piss. What you think about that?
Never heard of a break time in the middle of a movie, but I'm still waiting on my food.
No.
That's what I'm worried about.
Bro, it's been like 20 minutes, bro. Food's not even here yet. I'm starving. East finally came through. I ended up getting a chicken fajita and a pizza. It smells pretty good though. It smells pretty torch. But it did take like 30 minutes for us to get our food. Looks good though, like I can't lie.
Should have told us that some assembly would be required. I thought they would just make it and we would just eat it, but we gotta build it ourselves.
That's what a fajita is, bro. Yeah. Once again, another day in Kotal. This is actually my last day. We tried to extend at the hostel for one more day, and they was talking about that there was no more extensions. They're fully booked, so yeah. Last minute plans, we had to book a boat to the next island, so we're just chilling, waiting to go to Koh Phangan. We got like 30 more minutes until we gotta get on our boat. Pretty much just chilling here, waiting for the boat to take off with Josh and Bam. And this man Josh, I don't know why he keeps letting me fly his drone, but we're gonna attempt to fly his FPV drone. This is the second time I try to fly it in Thailand. First time did not go as planned. First time was tragic. It was dark though, so hopefully today is gonna be better. We got the drone right here. The FPV drone, if y'all don't know what the FPV drone is, it's pretty much just a regular DJI drone on crack. It can do flips and go like 200 miles per hour, so yeah. This is definitely gonna be, I feel pretty confident though, like it's pretty bright outside. It's not too many people around, so not too many distractions and stuff like that, so yeah, let's see how this goes.
So it's not in angle mode right now, so you have to put it.
Hold up. How much throttle should I give it on left and right? Because there's no trees, there's trees above me, right?
Yeah, you're fine, you're fine.
Damn! Yo! Damn! Did I break a light?
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro.
Why'd you go forward?
Bruh. Chill.
Bro did not go forward, bro. He just went straight up, bro.
Can I take off from the beach, bro, from the sand? This is crazy. Damn. That's embarrassing, bro. I just broke one of their lights. Crazy, bro. I think Josh said I broke one of his propellers.
Nah, the props are straight.
It's straight?
Yeah. More or less.
More or less? My bad. Attempt number 2, bro. That's embarrassing, not gonna lie.
Don't go too far. Don't go too far.
I'm gonna just fly an angle, bro. Or should I change it?
I mean, if you change it and you can't control it, you can literally just pop back in the angle and it'll bounce and stuff out.
Woo! Nah, bro, chill. Yeah, you can take this shit back, bro. Bro, this man is flying, not even using the goggles, bro. Like, this man landed that joint off his iPad, bro. Hey, more proud of you, bro. I don't know how you fly crazy ass mountains and stuff like that. I'm gonna have to spend like 40, 50 days on the simulation before I get comfortable flying in real life, bro. Like, it's not the same. At least simulation, you mess up, you can reset, but here, if you fly, bro, and you crash, you're done. That's how much money? $1,000 down the drain just off messing up. So yeah, we're gonna watch Josh, the master at work, go crazy real quick. Damn, off rip.
Connected some touch though.
Yeah, so obviously y'all saw how the flight went. I don't know why Josh trusted me with it, but hey, at least I didn't crash the drone. Drone's still here. Feel me? Everything's all good. So now it is time for us to depart.
Next time.
Go drop off our bikes, grab our bags, and then hop in the boat to Kobangan. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all on the ferry. Also, I'm coming off a cold, so that's why I keep coughing. But I'm gonna catch y'all. We just pulled up to drop off our bikes. It's 4:45 right now. The boat leaves at 5. We were told by the booking lady we got to be there by 4:30. So I don't know what this man is doing right now, but it's like, for some reason he's trying to do repairs right now. Usually when we drop off the bikes, it's just, they look at it, everything's good to go, and we dip. But now, the one time we got somewhere to be, bro, of course, it's always like that. Whenever we got somewhere to be, if you gotta hop on like some type of transportation, bro, it's never a smooth journey. We got 13 minutes now until the boat leaves, so.
You were just telling me like hurry up or something, bro. Like, why is he doing the repairs now?
So you got it. This is the ticket right here. Josh is gonna try to finesse right here and try to give us let us go, bro, because he's taking a long time, bro.
I don't want to do this.
Come on, bro. Look, imagine this is one bike, but you didn't even get to your bike yet, bro. We're not gonna make it by 5 o'clock.
Excuse me. Are we able to take our loading?
Damn. They saying they gotta pay for something. They saying.
The video of the bikes? He's talking about that jump broken. I don't know if it was
Chill, bro. How'd you break it, bro?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yo. Damn. Nah, bro.
Bro, hopefully he don't tax me, bro. You think he about to, bro?
I don't know, bro. Nah, that's crazy. So apparently Josh broke something on the bike, so my man's about to get spanked. Let's see what the final verdict is. It's crazy. It's so crazy, bro. How'd that even happen?
I don't know, bro.
I'm gonna catch y'all on the boat, bro. If he make it, I'm gonna catch y'all on the boat. Alright, chill. So as y'all can tell, we made it on the boat. Everything's good. Bro, it was such a hassle. Like, if y'all saw the amount of stress we had to go there to get on this boat, we had to run through alleyways. The scooter, first of all, the way to the pier was blocked off. Someone blocked it off with the scooter. So we had to move that joint, all our bags in our hand. And we had to check in. They talking about some hurry up, we getting rushed. But hey, I mean, that is our fault. But yeah, we made it on the boat in time. Finally headed off to Kopangan. So I'm gonna catch y'all there.